Okay, so to start with, we have to see today 5 variable K map. Now in 5 variable K map, you can see that A, B, C, D, E, there are 5 variable here. And to take an example of this question, I am taking it SOP form of K map, and you can note down the question. It is ranging from 0 to 469 till 31. So you know that 4 variable means it is up to 16 only. That means 16 cells, that is 0 to 15. But if it is a 5 variable means you will have numbers from 0 to 31, and you require 32 cells to take care of 5 variable K map. Now, in a 2D picture, we can make only 16 cell. We can't make 32 cell, which will should be understandable also. So now what do we do is we make two K map of 16 each. So what do? We take the first one, BCDE. We take the first one and we make the K map for this BCDE. So what it will do? It will take care of 0 to 15. How it will take care of 0 to 15? Because for this complete thing, I will assume A equal to 0. So what you have to take? It is A0. It is A0 and B as 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 means this will give me 0. And same way, this second cell, second K map, I will keep for A equal to 1. And this A equal to 1 map, what it will do? In this case, your first cell, this cell will be what? A is 1 and B, C, D is 0, 0, 0. So what is 1 followed by 4 zeros? What is 1 followed by 4 zeros?
16.
16. So you will be able to see that my first 4 variable K map with B, C, D, E and A equal to 0 will give me numbers from 0 to 15 as you have seen till now. So this will give me variables from 0 to 16. So you people can note down this along with me. Okay. So I got 0 to 15, but 5 variable means that it should go up to 31. So this specific cell, when A is equal to 1, this cell will give me 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So that will make it a 16. So then now in the same fashion, you know that 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 will give me what? A 17, right? And then 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 will give me what? Tell me. It is 1. I am talking about this cell. Or let me take the last cell. Last cell is what? 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Right? This is my last cell. 1. BC is 0, 0. DE is 1, 0. So 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. What is this? Just tell me. This will be 18. And what will be
18.
this? Yes. And this will be 19.
19.
Right? So because 10010 will give me 18. How this is giving me 18? I hope you all know this, that it is 0, 1, 2, 4, 8.
Ma'am, you won't have 0. It will be
Sorry,
this.
sorry. So it is a, I will cancel this. Okay. And it is 10010. So it is a 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So what part is there? 16, 1 is there and 2, 1 is there. So 16 plus 2, 18. So 10010 gives me a 18. Same way, 10011 gives me a 19. So this is how we start numbering. So I have got 16, 17, 18, 19. Then I will get here a 20, 21 and this will be 22. This will be 23. Okay. you can carefully see that what each variable means. Now after 23, as the K map says, we will have to move here. So this will be 24, this will be 25, this will be 26, this will be 27. Next we will go to the third row. This will be 28, this will be 29, this will be 30, and this will be 31. The K map construction is clear to all of you? The K map construction.
Yes, ma'am.
Because 5 variable means it should range from 0 to 1. And this is how I have named it. Now I will show you the I will show you this. So okay, and I will show you once again A, B, C, D, E, what it is trying to do. So when it is A and your B, C, D, E will be like this. So 0, 0, 0, 0, and like this it goes till 1, 1, 1, 1, and this remains 0. So this will be your first K map. This is your first K map where A is 0 and it is ranging from 0 to 15. Next, what you are doing? You are repeating your B, C, D, E. Is it not? If you don't consider this 1, 1 of the fifth variable, it will repeat. It will repeat like this. So it will be 1 followed by 4, 0. This becomes your 16. 1 0 0 1 is your 17. 1 0 0 1 0 is 18, which we saw in the K map, and so on. So this will go until when it is all 1, 1, 1, 1. And when all 1, 1, 1, 1, it forms a 31. You can check it also. It is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. When you add all this, it becomes a 31. So till here, this part is there in your second K map. So I hope your K map construction is clear, where 0 to 15 is your first K map, 16 to 31 is your second K map. Okay, now coming on to your K map now. So this is what my K map construction is complete. Now let us fill it. Let us fill it as we have been doing. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 11, 13, 15. Now 17 means I should go to the next K map. So 17, 21, 25, 27, 29, 31. Okay. Now, most important thing you have to understand. Now, if you have understood the construction of K map, next you should understand the grouping. Now, in the beginning of the class, I asked you, what do you do when you try to group the adjacent thing? You should see that adjacent cells are only one bit change among each other. So that is why you were able to group, and I am assuming that all of you are well versed in grouping now. What you have to understand in this 5 variable K map is the complete K map of A equal to 0 is lying above, layer wise on top of it. Now, so you can see the first cell of first K map and the first cell of second K map has only one variable uncommon in that. And what is that? Which variable is uncommon? A, correct. See, you can see B, C, D, E is 0, 0 for 0 also, and B, C, D, E is 0, 0, 0 for 16 also. So first cell of both the K map can be grouped. Why? Because only one thing is uncommon, that is A. A is 0 for this one, A is 1 for this one. So you have to understand that if anything is like a mirror image, means you have to assume that A equal to 0 K map and A equal to 1 K map are lying on one top of each other as the two layers. Okay, so that is what I wanted you people to see in this diagram. You can see this mirror image they are trying to show. So this one is A equal to 0 and this one is A equal to 1. So this cell and this cell BCDE 00 and this BCDE 00 can be grouped, paired with each other. Same way, this cell and this cell can be paired with each other. So this is what I wanted this video to show. That is the mirror. You can say it is a layered thing. It is a layered thing. So that is why I wanted. So now can you tell me what grouping is possible here? Once you know this, if you are able to group, then it is done for you.
13, 15, 9, 11. That is one group now.
13, 15, 9, 11. 13, 15, 9, 11 is one group of 4. Can you make a group of 8 also using your second K map?
13, 15, 9, 11, 29, 31, 25, 27.
Correct. See, now this is your four variable group. And this is also a 4 variable group. But as I told, you have to assume these two as a layered K map. So this and this are group of 8. Now, in this group of 8, what all will be dropped? You tell me that now. What all will be dropped in this? A will be dropped.
A will be dropped.
Yes, A will be dropped because A is 0 for this group and A is 1 for this group. So A will be dropped without any doubt. Now coming on to B. B will be dropped.
No, ma'am. B will remain.
B will be there. C will be dropped.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, C will be dropped. Yeah, C will be dropped. And D will also be dropped. And you will be left with only E. Right?
B and D, ma'am.
Yeah, right. B and E. So this is a group of 8 which is giving you BE. So for this function, one variable, one term I got as BE. Right? Now, is there any other variable which is making a group between the two K map, first and second K map? Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, there is nothing else. One more group you can see only in this, that is this group, right? So can somebody tell me what will be this group called as?
B bar and
B bar, E bar.
B bar, E bar. Yes, ma'am.
B bar, D bar.
Ma'am, B bar, E bar.
Ma'am, B bar, E bar.
B bar, E bar.
Yes, it is a B bar and E bar. Are you missing something?
A.
Yeah, A.
A, ma'am.
Because
A.
this group belongs to A equal to 0 K cell map. You have a bar also here, right? I hope you people are understanding. So this is A bar, B bar, E bar. Why A bar came? Because this belongs to A equal to 0. That is why I have written this A equal to 0 along with this. I have written, and this K cell belongs to A equal to 1. Okay. Now only one thing is remaining. What group you want to make next?
17, 21, 20, 29 and 25.
Correct. You should make a column group. Why? Because bigger group gives rise to smaller optimized variable value. So this is what?
A, D bar, E.
A, D bar, E. Very correct. Because this belongs to A equal to 1 K cell, so A will remain there. And because it is a column group, this D bar E can be easily copied. D bar E because it's a column group. So A, D bar E. So this is your answer for your this 5 variable K map. Is it clear to all of you now? Is it clear to all of you? Say yes or no, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you take down the next question. This is your homework question. Again, it is a case cell, 5 variable case cell. Okay. So you take down this question and you need to give answer for this in your Google Classroom. Okay. I will tell your maths teacher to allow you little late because we are taking little more time, right? So I will tell him you have maths class, no? Now I know that. So you note down this question, all of you. You note down this question. Okay, 0, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 24, 20, 24, 28. Okay, so this is your question for today. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the